Hi friends, it's Soto's Creative Corner, and today we're going to make some marshmallows. We're going to make, rather than the plain white marshmallows, we're going to make marshmallows already with the color in it. And I can show you how to make it with a swirl or like splash of color contrasting. All made with spackle paste, and we're going to color it with some chalk. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is take some of this spackle out. So here it is, and you can just tell how moist it is. You can actually feel it when you start to work with it. So I think that's a nice amount to start with the marshmallows. Okay, so I put some glitter in there already because I like that little sparkle. I'll add a little bit more. Now, because the spackle is too moist for it to be manageable, not fall apart, we're going to go ahead and use some cornstarch. I measured out on this little container the half a tablespoon, and I'll use this 4th tablespoon to pull it out. So I'm just going to put in a half a teaspoon because I put into 1/4, and now we're going to stir it. And you can already see it's starting to dry out. But it's not until I start touching it with my hand I really know, but I can tell already by just touching the spatula against it. You can see how it's making peaks, so it's still moist. So we'll have to add, let's go ahead and just add all of the cornstarch, which is a half a tablespoon total. And I use cornstarch rather than any other dry ingredient like the flour or anything, because back in the days, the cornstarch was used as an adhesive. So I'm going to just touch it with my fingers, and it's perfect. It's not too sticky. It's actually perfect. So it's ready to work with. And the reason why we don't want to add too much cornstarch is because I'm working with dry color, not liquid color. If I was using liquid, then of course I probably even have to use more cornstarch because the paint is liquid, whereas the chalk is powder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on pause and set some colors out here, and I'm going to also put the spackle paste on when I get back. But I'm going to go ahead and lay out the colors, and I'll be right back. So here's the colors that I chose: yellow, pink, dark blue or royal blue, light blue. And now we'll go ahead and get started. I'll go ahead and get the spackle ready, and let's make some marshmallows.